Hi, just now I got this big box. It's a parcel. It's Sunday, but Amazon delivers on Sundays too. We have Prime membership with Amazon for free shipping, and it's usually like 1 day shipping, 2 day shipping. So I got it today, which is great. And in a box, there are vanda baskets. I'm making this video because here in Canada, it's basically impossible to find any vanda baskets. These wooden slat baskets, this kind of thing. So I tried to check many orchid vendors and I couldn't find any. And last year I ordered from United States and the actual baskets were like $6, $4, but the shipping was almost $100 for them, which, well, probably if you divide shipping on each basket, it probably came out to still cheaper than I would if I would buy it somewhere here. But the problem is that I couldn't find it here. So those there I bought from States last year. But what I found, they're kind of shallow. They're 6-inch baskets and they are shallow. Now recently I was browsing Amazon and I found their baskets that are 8-inch and they seemed deeper. So I decided to try and buy some because I have vandas. See, that's Aerides Lawrenceana that I would like to put into baskets. I find that my orchids, my vandas, they do like those wooden baskets. I mean, they grow in clay pots, sure, but in the baskets I think they get more air, and the bottom roots are not as, in those clay pots, when there's too many roots, the bottom ones start to rot, kind of. They don't look very fresh. So I want to move this Aerides. This is a new one of the newer one. I want to move it inside of baskets before the new roots grew and started to grab on the clay pot. And same thing with this vanda tennisoniana. It has lots of root starts. And at this moment, it will be easier to remove it from that clay pot and put it in the baskets than when there's a lot of new growth and they really grab on the clay pots. And I also have this one. This is Aerides hulitiana, which I forgot to include into my vanda update if you were watching it. But this one was in a shipment from Tropical Gardens. And the problem was because it spent over 2 weeks in a box, and so it managed to rot through the stem, and I did get refund for this plant, but I'm trying to save it still. There's no roots. See, I had to cut it. It was a big plant with a keiki, but I had to behead actually the main plant because it was rotting through the root, through the stem, sorry. So there's now two and of course all the roots were rotted too. So there are 2 pieces of the plant which I'm hoping to save. And so I want to set it up in a basket too. See, there's one new root coming out, so that's a good sign. Anyway, so I found those baskets on Amazon website and I decided to buy them. And here's what they look like. Yeah, they're octagonal, 8 sides, right? And yes, they're much deeper, yeah, comparing to this. Look, they're huge too. So it's better grow baskets, 8-inch. Yeah, I think they are good, yes. I bought 4, just in case. They're not cheap, they're $22. But I think my vandas will appreciate them. I think they're looking good. No? They're not too shallow. They're quite large, but that's good because then plant will have space to grow the roots. Like this large plant, it needs a lot of support and a lot of roots, and they will definitely fit this basket. I think this Aerides feels right at home in that basket. So that was my small unboxing video. If you're looking for those wooden baskets and can't find it in Canada, check Amazon. My vandas like them. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.